Understanding Lawn Edger, a tool for perfect gardens. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very specific term that's essential for garden lovers and those interested in landscaping: lawn edger. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it is, but also how it's used. A lawn edger is a tool used to create defined lines around the edges of a lawn. It cuts the grass to make sure that the boundaries between your lawn and the pavements, flower beds, or driveways are neat and tidy. Lawn edgers come in different types, from manual styles to electric and gas-powered. The main purpose of a lawn edger is to create clear separations between the lawn and other surfaces. This not only enhances the beauty of the yard but also prevents grass from spreading into unwanted areas. It's a favorite tool among garden enthusiasts who aim for a precise and manicured appearance in their outdoor spaces. Using a lawn edger is all about technique and safety. Whether you're using a manual or powered edger, you'll need to walk along the edge of the lawn and guide the tool to cut the turf cleanly. Always wear protective gear, and be mindful of the blades, which can be sharp and potentially dangerous. To get that professional look, take your time and be consistent with the depth and angle of the edging. Regular maintenance is key. Edge your lawn regularly to keep it looking sharp. If you're using a manual edger, sharpen the blades as needed to ensure a clean cut. There you have it. Now you know what a lawn edger is and how it can help keep your lawn looking its absolute best. I hope this video has been informative and encourages you to give your garden that extra touch of care. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.